Hi, Camilo.
Hi.
Okay, so Camilo, I don't really want to injure you, but I would like to locate and destroy Marigold and then Flower.
Marigold's in Ohio.
Wait. So where would I find Marigold?
In Ohio?
That's too far. But what about Flower? Flower Annie.
She's in Bloxburg.
Perfect, that's not that far. Thanks, Camilo.
Yeah, have a good day.
Ring, 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 ring.
Oh.
Flower, you should answer it.
You think I'm
Oh, Flower. Remember your old boss at the hospital?
Yeah? Why?
He came to see me.
Wait, what?
He came to see me in the movies.
Oh my god.
He said he wanted to locate and destroy Marigold and then you.
What?
Don't worry. I told him Marigold's in Ohio and he said that was way too far.
Okay, but what about me?
I gave him your address.
What? Do not answer the door, Lonnie.
Who is it? Check through the peephole.
Do we have the back door or something?
No, we only have the front door. Go through the window.
I don't think we can get the window.
There's a window right here.
Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna jump through.
Okay, then I'll jump through too.
Oh, ow. God. Well, at least we'll be able to get Marigold since she's in Ohio and that's so far away.
Yeah, but I just really hope he won't see us. How rude was he when you worked with him?
Get this. He was yelling at us. And then we just quit our jobs. Then.
Yeah, apparently, did he quit at all? Did he quit being a doctor? Alright, I think we can be loud now. I don't think we're anywhere near him.
There's a gas station. Let's go there.
He seems to be pretty rude.
Trust me, he is.
What did he do? What did he do to you? What did he do to you guys?
He always yells at us.
And why was he so rude to all of you guys?
Oh, and get this. He told me.
What did he tell?
Okay, so as I was saying, this one time he told us, we can come early, and then when we came early, he yelled at us.
Yeah, like why is he so mean? Like what happened to him that made him so mean?
I have no clue.
I thought you told me that you explained it to Marigold one time.
I think so.
And you said that it was because his brother died.
Oh yeah, I think so. I'm grabbing me a drink.
Me too, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna go check. Oh, he's leaving our house!
He's getting in his car. He's coming to the gas station.
Oh, hide!
This way.
Hi. Hi, I came here for a girl named Flower. Her last name Annie. Best friend Marigold Cooper. He's looking for you. I'm sorry, man, but I'm sorry, dude, but I'm sorry, man, but we have not seen any girl in the residence of Flower Annie. She lives in Brookhaven. Well, now here. I'm sorry, man, but but she hasn't been seen here. He's getting out.
He won't see us.
I see you!
Uh-oh. Run!
Flower, I'm going to destroy you!
He just crashed his car right into the mountain.
I'll catch you, Flower Ready! What in the world?
Oh my god.
It's now nighttime. Should we get back to the house?
He's just gonna follow us there. He's on our trail. Look behind you.
Do you think he's trying to get capture me?
I think he's only coming for me. But I don't know what he's gonna do to you.
I think he might capture me so he can get your attention and come save me.
So you go in front of me. Go, 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 go. Go in front
Ah!
of me.
Flower, help me!
Lonnie! No, he took her. What am I gonna do? I can't go back to the house because he's probably gonna be there. The gas station. This line works. Hi, my name is Flower and.
Oh, that's a coincidence because there was some guy looking for a girl named Flower Annie.
Yes, he kidnapped my friend.
What? You're that girl?
Yes.
Well, Flower, I'm coming to get you, and I've got your friend Lonnie. Where are you, Flower?
So now I need to hide behind her.
Please help me!
Call 911, dude.
Okay, 911. What's your emergency? There's this guy kidnapping a girl named Flower Annie's friend. She apparently is from Brookhaven. Don't worry. We'll look all around the neighborhood for this dude. And if we can't find him, we're out of luck, okay? Okay. Alright, I just called 911. They're gonna search around the neighborhood for the dude.
Oh no, I see him. He's coming back. Oh no, I also see Lonnie being hostage.
Help me, Flower!
Do you have a weapon in here or something?
Hello, my beautiful friend. Oh, I see you, Flower.
Nope. Grab this gun, and I'm gonna smack you off the head with it. Smack. Untie you.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Oh no, she got away. We need to
Call the
hide.
police. Tell them he's here.
He's distracted.
He's here. I'll use this to spray him if I see him.
It's connected.
Stay behind here. Hey, buddy, I'm right here.
I'll get you, Flower.
Favorite oil.
Go, 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 go. Where'd they go? Should we head back to the house?
The police are at the house. Yeah, look, the police are at our house.
He won't suspect us to be there, as he thinks we might know that we'll go there because he knows that we're there.
Yeah.
Should we hide behind the house?
We should go in the house.
He won't figure us to be there, as he thinks that we know that he'll follow us there.
Yep. Oh no, I see him right behind us.
We can't go to the house. We gotta go past it.
Look, the police are driving right past our house. Please, please.
Please help us. There's this dude chasing me and he's trying to destroy Flower. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, you cannot capture these poor little girls. I'm so sorry, man. We'll make sure this never happens. I'll get you too!
I have fun in jail.
Yeah, let's party! Let's dance!
Woo! Let's go inside and dance. Let's go.
Let's party!
Yeah.
Oh, we're doing the same dance!
This is so fun.
I think today was such a crazy day.
Yeah.
Thankfully, it's all over now.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed.
Yeah. I'm getting tired. Let's go to bed. Good night, Flower.
Good night.